job.
You made it.
Think I got this?
I think maybe not.
Oh my God.
Doesn't look good so far, folks. Here we go, man. This is good stuff. This is making Facebook, Tori.
Oh my God.
You're doing awesome, man. It's gonna get. I'm seeing lots of likes and laugh faces. Wow.
Yeah, that was easy.
Good job.
Oh my God. Goodbye, Crow World. Whoa! Leche!
Hey, do it the farther away.
She's moving me. Olivia, you are an adventure. I'll catch you if you fall, lady. Circus, Jay. Right, Am? Oh, tired. I made it.
It was something like that.
Holy cow. I got it. I'm here.
He's stuck in the middle, man. What's that sound? That's the sound of shame. Should we help him?
Yeah.
Give me the camera.
Oh my God.
There you go.
Did you film that whole thing?
It's still filming.
Oh my God, that was hardcore.
Yeah? It was awesome. You make the best videos ever.
I don't think I've pedaled once. I'm just using the speed. Oh! I almost fell. Don't not there, what? Get a hiss? My mother's running.
Don't you dare put this on Facebook.
Oh, it's for Craig and Chris.
Oh,
Show me, run. Run like someone put a gun to your head. To put things in perspective, I'm walking right past it.
that's enough. I had my run.
You're done with your run? Tell us about last night. Document that.
Oh,
What happened last night?
well, we went to this nice restaurant in the fog. And when we came out, it was pouring rain. Not just a little rain, a lot of rain. We get in the cart,
Golf cart.
the golf cart, 7 of us, and Corey discovers there's no windshield wipers. And
We had
so,
a Fred Flintstone at our way with the whole.
so what he had to do was try to drive the go-kart and also do the windshield wipers manually. And then he was going fast enough that he went into a lot of puddles and got Jesse and himself all wet. And thankfully, Dad and I didn't get that much wet, but we still, by the time we got in, we were soaked.
Soaked.
And
it was like riding the flume.
all day. The water flume.
It's pretty fun.
It was exciting.
At the Sandbar restaurant on Anna Maria Island. Cool.
Bye, boys. That's what Corey says. This is my mittens.
By the way, Grandma, you know we love surprises, right?
Yeah.
Surprises are fun. Look up.
At what? Oh, he's walking. Oh, how nice.
Hey, we're just walking on the beach. We stumbled into you.
So good. You guys came down at the coldest time.
I know, it's literally.
It'll be good tomorrow. Ask Leche, he knows.
Thank you. It's not 30 degrees.
No, it's not, yeah.
It's beautiful.
I certainly don't
All right,
hate
let me
better
get in
weather.
there.
It doesn't matter.
All right, everyone look at Daniel. He's taking a video.
Oh, maybe I better take this off.
He's just taking a video. We'll use a screenshot for a picture. Awesome.
What about the
Yes, that's nice to see you. I can hug you, I can hug you.
You're like a mom. You got your little
I
satchel.
was like, which one do we have here? Is this the new one?
Yeah, Naomi. You should like do this thing to mom.
What's that? Got a lot of print stories for you. Do you like the new stuff or old stuff?
Don't fall off.
Yay! Love you, Libby. Bunny ears. This is fun.
Hey, look at that big ship.
That's an awesome ship.
He's at boat.
I see it, honey. That's awesome.
Hey, Captain.
Hey, how we doing?
Good. How we doing up here?
Good.
Good.
Coming up.
Get on the boat, y'all.
Get on the boat.
Okay, that's what I jump.
We're gonna go jump together soon.
There.
That's too crazy.
We're gonna jump, baby. Jump.
She's jumping.
Looking good, Lisa.
I think it's recording, but
Yeah, I know. That's cool. That is a COVID-19 party. For those who haven't been to one before, I don't see a single mask. Super Bowl.
Corey, what did you do?
What did you do, Daniel? I want a refund from Exo Adventures, man.
Sorry, no refunds. This is part of the cost. This is part of the show, man.
Did we pay extra?
This has all been arranged.
Thank you, sir, for doing your job. We love it, man. It's all good. You look like Pablo Escobar.
Thank you.
You do. I'm surprised I didn't take you in.
That would have been refreshing.
3 squares a day in jail, Dad.
Right?
I'm on the wrong mode on mine.
Love you. Mwah.